Go ahead and get y'all a good old cold start. M2 comp, modified to all hell. That titanium exhaust be kicking, baby. Phone on the charger. Got my monitoring phone on the charger too. Look that. Monitor them vitals. Get this first cold start with the non-titanium. Oh, you're good.
Well, I don't have a key.
Oh, I guess you needed to keep that, huh?
Step one, put key in
Yeah,
card.
I guess that's the thing.
Got it. You don't trip over me real quick.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Let her eat.
Not bad.
It's not bad. The other one was a lot more popping.
This one's deep.
Yeah. Don't sound like a civic anymore, that's all I can say.